You searched how to buy shares of M&C Saatchi Plc, a London communications and advertising group listed on LSE plc under the ticker SAA.L. This video is educational only and is not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with an ID, and add funds before buying. Use the platform search box and type the ticker SAA.L to find the listing. Make sure you select the matching LSE plc result for M&C Saatchi Plc. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart for the share. Confirm the company name and ticker to ensure this is the correct stock. Click the Buy or Trade button. Enter the amount you want to invest, then review and confirm the order details. If the market is closed, the order may wait until it opens, and the platform will ask you to add funds if your balance is insufficient. Once executed, your M&C Saatchi position will appear in your portfolio for review. Check the description for the example link to the broker if you want to follow the same steps.